Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner doesn't recognize your face correctly. So let's set up a new face model for this device, and let's do it better this time. Start by entering the settings and then scroll down to Security and Privacy section right here, then tap on it, scroll down to Device Unlock, then open this menu and then tap on Face. Enter your PIN code to confirm and tap Enter. Then if you have any previously set up face models on this phone, remove them by tapping right here and confirming. And before you add a new face model, first grab a dry towel and wipe the surface of your frontal camera carefully, just to make sure that you can clearly see your face in this camera. And for the same reason, adjust the lights in your room. Okay, and once you're ready, tap Add Face, then scroll down and select I agree, then tap Start, then center your face in the camera. Center your face in the circle that you see in front of you, then move your head up and tilt it down, then tap Done. And now, to make sure that everything works correctly this time, let's also check if this device is up to date, because keeping your device up to date keeping your software in touch with the hardware, so it's better to know that everything works properly on the phone. To do this, you have to go back to Settings menu, then find System, open it, and then find Software Updates, tap right here, and if you see a system update available, then tap right here. Also, of course, if you want to check if you have any updates, you have to swipe down the control center and check if you have connection to the internet, either using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Okay, and as you can see, there is an update available. So in order to perform an update, you have to restart your phone by tapping Restart Now. But also, if there are no updates for your device, you just have to restart your phone to make sure that the changes applied. To do this, press the power button and the volume up key at the same time, then select Restart and reboot your phone. Now I will do it this way. Now let's wait until the phone restarts, and then let's check if the face that we added works properly to unlock this phone. And once the phone is restarted, let's first unlock it using the PIN code. Then wait for your device to start. And then let's lock it and try to unlock it using our face. Okay, so it worked perfectly for the first time. Let's try it one more time. Okay, it went pretty smoothly. Okay, and as you can see, everything works great for me, and I hope that it does for you too now. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.